Running out of space for your next road trip? Whether you're heading to the mountains with ski gear or taking the family on a cross-country adventure, a rooftop cargo box can be a total game changer. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best rooftop cargo boxes you can grab on Amazon right now. These have been tested, reviewed, and proven by real users, so you know you're getting quality. I've included links to all these products in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, we have the Thule Motion 3 Rooftop Box. Released in 2024, this thing represents everything Thule learned from years of making cargo boxes. You're getting 18 cubic feet of storage space, which is enough for 4 to 6 pairs of skis up to 200 centimeters, or 3 to 5 snowboards. What really sets this apart is the one-handed operation. There's a wire brace built into the lid that adds rigidity so you can pop it open with just one hand. No more struggling with that awkward half-flop situation you get with cheaper boxes. And they've added this reach strap that lets you pull the lid closed without needing a step stool. If you're on the shorter side or you've got a listed SUV, you'll appreciate this feature big time. The power click mounting system is another brilliant touch. It actually clicks when you've tightened it enough, so you're not sitting there wondering if it's secure or if your box is going to fly off on the highway. The aerodynamic design with that swinging, contoured front end reduces drag and helps with fuel economy, which is crucial when you're already dealing with the weight and wind resistance. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. This box will set you back around $1,000 to $1,100. That's definitely premium pricing, but here's the thing, you're getting what you pay for. The build quality is exceptional, it'll last you years, and it comes with Thule's reputation for reliability. If you use a cargo box regularly, or you want something that works flawlessly every single time, this investment makes sense. Coming in at number 2 is the Yakima Roof Cargo Carrier. What makes it stand out is that textured carbonite lid. It's not just for looks. This texture actually hides scuff marks and grime really well, so your box keeps looking good season after season. The design is streamlined and narrow, which is perfect if you need to mount other gear on your roof rack, like bikes, kayaks, or paddleboards. You're not taking up the entire roof, which gives you flexibility. It comes in multiple sizes, 12, 16, 18, and 21 cubic feet, so you can pick what works for your vehicle and your needs. The super latch system is genuinely user-friendly. It's a one-handed locking mechanism, and it comes with SKS locks included for security. Installation is tool-free, which means you can get it on and off quickly without digging through your garage for wrenches. The larger models hold skis up to 215 centimeters, so even if you're tall and riding longer equipment, you're covered. The potential downside: while the narrow design is great for versatility, it does mean a slightly smaller opening compared to wider boxes. If you're trying to load bulky, wide items like large coolers or camping gear, you might find yourself playing Tetris a bit more than with a wider box. Still, for most people, this won't be a deal breaker. Pricing ranges from about $470 to $720 depending on the size you choose. At number 3, we've got the SportRack Vista XL Cargo Box. You're getting 18 cubic feet of storage with a 110-pound load capacity, and the build quality honestly rivals boxes that cost 2 or 3 times as much. Here's what's unique. This box opens from the rear instead of the side. That rear opening design makes loading cargo so much easier because you're not reaching over the side of your vehicle. Plus, it gives you extra peace of mind on the highway since the opening faces backward. The aerodynamic shape with those angled contours really does reduce wind noise and drag. Installation uses a simple U-bolt system with knobs on the inside for tightening. It's straightforward, and once you've done it once, you can get it on and off in minutes. The ABS material is UV resistant and genuinely waterproof with that overlapping lid seal. People have driven through downpours with this thing, and their gear stayed bone dry. With over 2,000 reviews on Amazon averaging 4.5 to 4.6 stars, users love this box. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is that it doesn't have the same premium feel as the Thule or Yakima options. The plastic is a bit thinner, and while it's durable, you'll want to be careful not to over-tighten the mounting hardware or load it beyond capacity. But for the price, between $180 and $400, you're getting incredible bang for your buck. Number 4 is the Auto Dynasty Hardshell Cargo Box. You get 12.7 cubic feet of storage with a solid 110-pound weight limit. The opening is 13.5 inches wide, which makes it easy to load larger items without struggling. The tool-free installation is as simple as it gets. It comes with 4 heavy-duty mounting brackets that you can adjust without any tools. The textured black finish does a great job of hiding the inevitable scratches and scuffs you'll pick up over time. There's a key lock system that only lets you remove the key once all the lock points are secured, so you know your gear is safe. The materials are UV protected and weather-resistant ABS that holds up against rain, snow, sun, and impacts. Users consistently praise this box for delivering functionality you'd expect from much more expensive products. The opening arm locks the lid in the open position, so you don't have to worry about wind or bumps slamming it shut while you're loading. The trade-off here is the smaller capacity. At 12.7 cubic feet, this is the most compact box on our list. If you're a solo traveler or a couple who just needs extra space for weekend trips, this is perfect. But if you've got a family of 4 or you're packing for extended trips, you might find yourself wishing for more room. That said, for $280 to $340, this is exceptional value. It fits crossbars up to 13 inches wide, so it works with most roof rack systems. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Thule Force Rooftop Cargo Box. This is a solid all-around performer that gives you performance comparable to much pricier models. It comes in 3 sizes: L at 16 cubic feet, XL at 18 cubic feet, and XXL at 22 cubic feet. That matte black finish is practical. It does a great job concealing scratches and dirt that inevitably accumulate after driving in varied weather conditions. You get dual side opening for convenience, and it includes straps to secure your gear inside. The PowerClick quick mount system has a torque indicator, so again, you know when it's properly tightened. Weatherproofing is excellent. People have driven through torrential rain with this box, and everything inside stayed completely dry. The XL model holds 7 pairs of skis or 5 snowboards, which is plenty for most families. Plus, it's backed by Thule's lifetime warranty, which gives you serious peace of mind. The consideration here is that while it's a Thule product, it doesn't have all the premium features of the Motion 3 XL. There's no reach strap, no wire-braced lid for one-handed opening, and the aerodynamics aren't quite as refined. You'll notice slightly more wind noise at highway speeds. But for $500 to $700, depending on the size, it's still a fantastic middle ground between budget and premium options. Before you make your final decision, think about how often you'll use it, what you'll be carrying, and what your budget looks like. Thanks for watching. Safe travels out there, and I'll see you in the next one.